Well, it's here. This is the all-new redesigned 2025 Nissan Murano. Hi, I'm Maggie Clark, Motor City Maggie, here in Franklin, Tennessee at Nissan Headquarters. And I'm with the all-new Murano. And we're going to give you a little bit of a walk-around tour. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming automotive content, especially because I'm going to be test driving the Nissan Murano in just a couple of months. So let's get into this walk around of the all new redesigned 2025 Nissan Murano. The all new Murano is going to be manufactured in Tennessee, in the home state of Nissan. And pricing and some other specifications are yet to be announced. The Nissan Murano will be available in January of 2025. Underneath the hood, we are getting a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder inline engine. It's going to give you 241 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It is available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. We've also got a lot of blacked out accents. We have a black roof line. We've got this silver metal bar that kind of goes over the roof line of the vehicle. We have black mirror caps. This little subtle logo design is one of my favorite parts. I also really love these crystallized headlights. Let's take a look at the rear design. We have the Murano badge really spaced out. It looks very nice. It isn't too in your face. It's very subtle. It looks great. It looks updated and stylish. We have, of course, the Nissan badge there. It comes in all-wheel drive, and this is the Platinum trim level. There are 3 trims, the SV, the SL, and the Platinum. So this one's the top of the line. Now, my favorite part is this beautiful LED light blade that goes across the back of the vehicle. It really elevates the look of the rear end. Let's open her up. Wow, I mean, look at all that cargo space. This is a lot of space. You're going to be able to easily fit everything you need to go on road trips for your family, for your adventures. It's a lot of cargo space. And as you can see, there's a 60-40 split and 3 top tethers. Underneath here, it does look like there is a space for a spare tire, but it looks like it comes with a tire repair kit and an automatic close and lock button. All right, let's take a look inside of the beautiful new redesigned 2025 Nissan Murano. I mean, just take a look at these gorgeous seats. They are so beautiful. Nissan said the interior is meant to feel like a spa-like experience. I can see it. Let's get a closer look at the interior. Look at those gorgeous seats. Power seats, of course. Here is the driver's POV. We have a nice big steering wheel, slightly flat on the bottom here. We will have a lot of buttons and controls on the steering wheel. We have 2 12.3-inch displays, the multi-information display or digital gauge cluster, seamlessly connected to the touchscreen, which will have Google Maps, Google Assistant, Google Play, and it will have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have your HVAC controls right here that do light up when the vehicle's on. It says Murano right there, so nice. On the side here, we have a heated steering wheel, button, memory seats, and Bose speakers throughout the vehicle. And here is a look at your second row. Those big, beautiful, comfortable seats. Your second row passengers do get sunshades. It's a bit dark, but there are heated seats and USB-C ports for the second row. Here is a look at the front of the vehicle from the rear of the vehicle. So nice. And there is a panoramic moonroof. In the center here, we have a wireless charging pad, 2 USB-C ports, gear shift buttons, a drive mode selector. This is for your 3D surround view camera, 2 cup holders, a storage bin, a really nice amount of space. It seems like the interior was very thoughtfully designed. Here is your rear seat view. And look at this beautiful dash. Lots of soft touch materials. It feels very relaxing, very comfortable in here. The new Nissan Murano will come with Nissan Safety Shield, Pro Pilot Assist, an invisible hood view, and a 3D around view monitor. Wow. And that was the all-new redesigned 2025 Nissan Murano. What did you think? Make sure you let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you give me a like and leave a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming automotive content. And make sure you connect with me on other socials at Maggie Clark on camera on TikTok and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, motor on. Bye.